Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update fraud alerts after a suspected SIM swap. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the source of the suspected SIM swap. Check your phone for unusual behavior, such as losing signal or receiving unexpected messages. Contact your mobile carrier to report the issue right away. Request to temporarily suspend your account to prevent unauthorized access. Ask the carrier to reinstate the original SIM, if applicable. Verify your identity with your carrier by providing necessary information, such as account details and personal identification. Once your account is secured, request a new SIM card. After receiving the new SIM, insert it into your phone and ensure it activates properly. Monitor your accounts closely for any signs of fraudulent activity. Consider updating your passwords for important accounts, especially those linked to your phone number. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts where possible for added security. Implement a fraud alert on your credit report with major credit bureaus. Visit the website of Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax to file a fraud alert. Fill out the required form with your personal details and specify that it's due to a suspected SIM swap. Notify your bank and other financial institutions about the situation. Stay vigilant for unusual transactions or changes on your accounts. Document any communications with your carrier and other institutions regarding the incident. Continue to follow up with your carrier to ensure your account remains secure. Reassess your security practices regularly to prevent future incidents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.